this is a special class, right? Special class,
Yes,
not
this is
regular
special
class.
Children's. They are interacting with each other. Children from different regions of Punjab.
Different regions.
Yes.
You know Seoul?
Yeah, I know so.
How?
I do watch Korean dramas.
They are so famous Korean dramas dubbed in Hindi.
It seems so delicious, especially the kimchi.
Kimchi. Oh,
I want to eat it
Oh, really?
once I go to Islamabad because there is a
Korean
restaurant here.
restaurant.
Everything like that. I know somehow. Like,
Kimchi is very spicy, you know.
Yeah.
Your posture is like I can speak.
I can somehow.
She's like K-pop already. BTS.
There are different languages like Shina, Rushaski, Hua.
Yeah, Pakistan is also multilingual.
Yeah, multilingual.
The culture is very rich. It's like very rich in culture.
But they are one. They are not fighting each other. They are one.
landmarks.
Then
Yeah,
live together.
That's good. Good. Information provider. We just arrived here from Gulmit. 11 days in Gulmit, and then we plan to stay here for maybe 10 to 2 weeks in Karimabad.
Very good.
We've heard this is the highlight of Hunza. Huh?
Yes, yes.
아, 저기? 그럼 올라가 보자. Your ancestors from Macedonia, you believe?
Because we are the family from Barcha Mammu Singh, who is the a sergeant, the whole troop sergeant, like he's a officer here. Like
Yeah, he left a number of soldiers, right?
yes, he left
behind,
number of,
yeah.
army, but the headquarters is in Gilgit.
Really?
Yes.
So Alexander came to Gilgit?
No, Alexander came here. He stayed in this Ganish village for a while. You know?
Really?
Yes, he want to cross the river and he
To
want
India?
to go to China.
To India or China?
No, China.
China.
But unfortunately, the river flow was too much speedy, so they didn't cross.
Your relatives were in Macedonia?
Yes, we have a
were
Barcha
invited?
family in Macedonia. I will show you.
So they were invited by
they invited
Macedonian government?
Yes, Macedonian government invited in 2009.
Yeah.
The Mir's family, like the royal family,
Oh, yeah.
his wife Mir Ghazanfar Ali Khan,
Yeah, like the prince and, yeah, they
my aunt,
visited. Oh, your
my
aunt
uncle
also?
and
Oh.
my cousins.
Oh, they went to Macedonia?
Yeah, they went to Macedonia.
Oh. You're
They came
descendants
here.
of Macedonia, the
Yes.
Greeks. Oh,
Yes,
yeah.
we our our tradition, our food, our
Similar?
they're very similar, you know, each other.
sell yacht meat?
Yes, yes.
Ooh. Eagle nest? Thank you.
Chai, big is out.
Huh?
Chai.
Shit. Thank you. Bye. you're traveling for how many days? Just today? One day? 2 days. Nice.
This is one of the oldest hotels in Hunza. It
Yeah,
was
yeah,
built in
yeah,
1994. It started from a local traditional house, then eventually
Wow.
upgraded to.
Look at this.
Now it's like a 40 rooms. Hotel.
Look at this. guys. Babies.
Oh, babies, how are you?
We are from South Korea.
South Korea.
Yeah. Hi guys. Hello. Assalamu alaikum.
You have no ladies?
No?
No ladies? Girlfriend?
Yeah. You have how many goats?
Two.
Two. One
One
cow.
cow.
Wow. What are your names?
My name is Daniel.
Daniel?
Yes.
It's English name.
Yes.
Oh. And you?
My name is Ramiz.
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 And his name is Danish.
Danish.
Talis.
You play football? Football.
Yes, I play.
Yeah?
Yes.
What position?
In midfield.
Midfield.
Yes.
Favorite team?
Ronaldo.
Ronaldo?
Yes. He's a blessed player.
Messi?
He's not.
No. You don't like Messi?
Not at all. Not
Why?
at all.
He's a genius. No,
Yes,
no,
but
no.
not at all. My
And?
mother's sister.
Yeah, aunt.
She's-
Aunt. Oh.
Yes, she's my aunt.
So you're visiting your aunt.
Yes.
But your home is in Karachi.
In Karachi.
So he's a city boy.
Yes.
이곳은 일본 유명 등반가 하세가와 츠네오가 카리마바드를 내려다보는 해발 7,388m의 울타르 피크 제2봉 등정 중 사망하여 그의 아내가 남편을 기리기 위해 설립한 학교입니다.
So English books and Urdu books?
Yes.
교장 선생님.
가스트.
Sundown and salty cheeks. It's not a cute look getting kicked out of the bar when you're no longer 19. Still acting like a child, feeling like nobody gets it.
So you're the original owner
Yes,
of Old Hunza Inn.
yes.
How did you start that hotel?
1979.
1979.
79.
Wow. That's like
First
almost
hotel
50
in
years
Karimabad.
ago. 50 years ago. Wow.
Yeah, first hotel in Karimabad.
Wow.
Many Japanese.
Really?
Yeah.
In the 70s?
Yeah.
Wow. Young backpackers?
Young, yeah. Student, majority student.
In 1970s?
1917 to
80s.
9/11. Many Japanese.
Many Japanese. And Western
Yeah.
tourists
Western also.
travelers, yes. Yeah.
That time I have just only 5 rooms.
5 rooms.
Yeah, and I make a tent camping site.
Camping site. Oh.
Yeah.
And dormitories and
Yes.
things like
All room dormitory.
all rooms, yeah. It's
And that time no hot shower.
no hot shower.
And people use cold shower.
Glacier water, right?
Yes.
The hotel has expanded since
Yeah.
then. And many other hotels.
Now many.
Many.
But that time only one.
Only one.
1979, only one. One king guest house here. In public, my guest house.
And I heard Pasuin was also very
Also
early.
after.
After.
1983.
83. Oh.
Yeah. Sometime road block, sometime
road block.
raining, sometime in
And no airport. Only Gilgit small.
No
so
airport.
Skardu, they have
Chicago
to
International Airport.
and the long
Yeah,
way
yeah.
to Karimabad.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
The electricity
Electricity, big problem.
Big problem. Yeah.
Water and electricity,
Yeah,
big
it's
problem.
Big problem. Yeah. And the scenery is.
Yes. Very
So
good. You look,
spectacular.
enjoy Rakaposhi, Deran Peak, Golden Peak behind, Ultar Glacier, Ladyfinger,
Yes.
2 rivers, Hunza River, Nugget River.
It's like a dream setting.
Yes.
I mean, I've been to Switzerland, Alps, Himalayas, American Rocky Mountains, but I mean, this is really amazing. Yeah. So your family has settled in Ganish for a long time?
Ganish, yes.
For
yes.
many years?
Yeah.
Oh.
My first family come from Iran to Hunza.
From Iran, Persia,
Yeah, Iran to Hunza.
originally.
I don't know how many years ago, 500, 600.
Really?
I don't know, maybe more.
But originally from Persia,
Yeah, I am.
Persia, huh?
Yeah,
Iran.
Iran.
Hunza is not that big, but many languages spoken.
Yes, 4 languages.
4 languages. Wow. But when they speak each other, then they speak Urdu, right?
Yes,
That's the official language.
yeah.
Oh, thank you very much.
오늘의 여행 문학 한 줄. 여행을 잘하는 자는 고정된 계획이 없으며 도착하는 데 집착하지 않는다. A good traveler has no fixed plans, is not intent on arriving.
시청해주셔서 감사합니다. See you again.